Greetings, this is Mccray for the Business Building Network, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create some beautiful eye-catching thumbnail images for your YouTube videos. And I'm also going to be going over how to create some graphic designs for all of your other social media sites. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. So as a video creator and a content maker, you really need to have some eye-catching images that will entice your audience to click on your videos or click on the links of all other content that you're putting out there. So what I'm going to be showing you in this video is how to create some really eye-catching thumbnail images and also some graphic designs that you can use for all of your other social media sites to really entice your audience to click on your links and see what it is that content that you're putting out there. And the tool that we use to do this is a tool called Canva. I'm going to leave the link in the bottom of this video in the description box. So Canva is a free tool that you can use, and they also have a paid version which will provide you with more features. But if you're just starting out, the free version is fine for you, just for now. Get familiar with it, and then as time goes on, most likely you'll need to use some of the paid features that they have to offer, and you can just upgrade to a paid version. Alright, so what you're looking at here, this is my actual YouTube channel, and as you can see within some of the thumbnails are some graphic designs that I have created, which are going to be branding myself, and that is very important for you as a YouTuber or a marketer or whatever you're doing in the internet space. You always want to be branding yourself and create that name recognition, so every time someone hears or sees your name, they can visualize it and put a face with it. And that is the point in creating these thumbnails with images of yourself to put on these videos so you can create that name recognition. Alright, so I'm going to take you over to Canva and show you how this tool actually works. Okay, so we're on the Canva website. Once again, it's canva.com. So I'm just going to show you some of the images that I have created, and then we're going to do a little quick demo. Get somewhat familiar with how this website works and how you can use it to create your thumbnails, your cover photos, your arts for graphics, business cards. I've even done some graphics for actual t-shirt designs as well. That's a little more advanced, which you would need the upgraded version of Canva to remove the background. Show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so for this image here, an image of a bear, but the background was still showing up on the t-shirts, so we had to use a transparent background, which you are able to access through the paid version of Canva, and remove that background, so when you put it on the shirt, you will not see that white block in the background. All of that's been removed, so you just see the image of the bear. Put that on a shirt and it comes out with a really nice image. If you're doing t-shirts, postcards, flyers, or whatever the case may be, you want to take out that background image and really give you a nice and crisp, precise image for whatever artwork you're trying to do. Alright, so now if you're doing your thumbnails for your YouTube videos, so all you want to do, you want to come up here to the left hand corner, click on create a design, and then you're going to get all of these different social media sites that you can create your artwork for. And if you don't see what you're trying to do, and there's in the search bar, you can just type it in up here, and you should see that information pop up, and then you will be able to create the design for whatever feature site it is that you're looking for. But for this particular demo, we're going to do for a YouTube thumbnail. So we're just going to click here. Then we're just going to have to grab some different images, download some images onto your computer, and then you're going to upload them here to Canva, and you're just going to create a different design. So let me just create a little something here for you guys. Okay, so the first thing you would want to do, if you have a specific color theme that you like to use, you can put in a background color. Just put in this for this particular example. Then you just want to upload some different images. You can put in your text. You have different elements that you can put in as well. We're not going to get into all of that. I'm just going to do something simple with some images. We're going to resize them and put them in different positions, just to give you guys an idea of what we can do as far as creating your graphic designs for your thumbnail art. Alright, so let's grab this YouTube header here. So I'm going to shrink that down. Put that in the corner somewhere. Alright, let's make it a little transparent. So we just click on this transparency button up here, and we're going to change that. Okay. Let's see. It's aircraft. Let me do my fishing guys. Fishing channel. They're also on YouTube. Check them out if you get a chance. They are Upstream Productions. They have a TV show as well, also on the Sportsman's channel. So make sure you guys check them out. Let's see. Okay, so we want to put this into the background. So I'm going to have to take out the YouTube image and then install it. So that YouTube is going to show up on this actual image that we're creating. So just delete that. Didn't really need the background color back here, but I just wanted you guys to see that so you can implement it if you want for yourselves. Alright, so then we go back and we grab that YouTube image, shrink it down right here, place it here in the corner somewhere. Once again, we'll hit that transparency, bring it down a little bit. Okay, that's too much. Really is not looking good, but just want you guys to get a general visualization of how this all looks. All right, that looks a little better. All right, so we'll put in some other little images relevant to this. Let me see if I can find some fish. All right, we'll just throw this in here. Okay, put that down in the bottom corner. Then we'll go here. Let's see, get some different photos from Canva that they have that you can use. They have some free and some that you have to pay for. And it will say on the actual image when you click on it. See, this one's free. Let's use that. It's not really relevant to this particular thumbnail that we're creating, but you guys get the general idea. All right. What else can we do? Oh, add some text. So if you want a large heading, a subheading, and something even smaller. So let's do a big subheading. text. So we'll stretch that out. Let's make this. Put this all over this because it's overlapping in the image. Okay, so if we want to make this text smaller, change the colors, or even change the fonts. So you can change the fonts here. Just click on this. Alright, so we can change the size of the font as well. So let's make this a little smaller. 36. Okay, that's good. And we want to change the color. Highlight it. Oops. Let's bring that back over. Okay, so now we're going to highlight it. Change the color. Let's do. And then we'll just put another text and we'll add, let's say the YouTube channel. Stretch that out, take out that text, and put in upstream. Productions. I don't know the exact address, so that's why I put it in like that. Alright, so we'll bold that, change the color. Let's do this color here. See how that looks. Okay, that's good. Okay. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's basically it. How you go ahead and create your graphic designs for your thumbnails and any other projects that you may be working on. You know, just come over here to Canva, start playing with the tool. You know, get familiar with using all these different features that they have to offer, and you can really create some beautiful looking designs. And then once you're finished creating your design, all you want to do is click this download button here. It's going to ask you how you want to download it. I'm going to download it to my computer. You have different ways. You can do a PNG, a JPEG, PDF, print, video, animation, and so forth. I'm going to do a PNG. Go ahead and download. Boom, download it to my computer, and then you can upload it back to your YouTube channel or whatever social media site you want to be adding your graphic designs to. So, guys, I hope you got some good value from that. If you have any questions or concerns, by all means, leave me a comment below in the comment section. And I want to thank you guys for watching. So once again, my name is Mccray for the Business Building Network. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you will be informed each and every time I upload a new video. So I want to thank you once again for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you real soon.